I want to show you how to add ink transitions in Premiere Pro. I've got 2 videos on the timeline, and in order to add the ink splash, first we need the ink splash that you can also download from internet, or the ink drop asset. I've already added first and second video on the track. Drag the ink transition directly above the video and make the cut for the specific piece. Go to Effects and search for Track Matte Key and add it to the second video that is under Matte Key. Then open the Effect Controls panel, and under the Track Map Key Settings Compositor, let's select Luma, and then under Matte, I'm going to set to video number 2. Following, select the ink and the piece of the video under of it, right-click of the mouse and choose Nest. Now, drag the nested piece above the video number 1 where you want to start your effect, and just attach the second video to the first one. Everything is ready. Let's see the results. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.